What's up? My name is Steven Cravata, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I grew my TikTok account from 0 to 120,000 followers, but more importantly, how I used an organic TikTok to drive an insane amount of customers and subscriptions to my mobile app Puff Count. As you can see here, I get paid every single month from my mobile app via subscriptions, and the only way that I market this mobile app is through TikTok Organic. I have never spent a single dollar on paid marketing. TikTok is so powerful for this because it's just a constant flow of new users to my mobile app, and the users convert into a paid subscription. So this really is a form of passive income once you have it set up. Getting a mobile app built is easier said than done, but that's for another video. I'm going to show you exactly how I grew my Puff Count TikTok account to 100,000 followers. If you follow the exact blueprint that I'm about to show you in this video, there is no question in my mind that you will have similar results and see profits if you start today. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, cool. So let's kind of get the phases broken down first, so we understand kind of how this is going to work. And each phase is very important in, building your TikTok account from ground zero upwards. So let's dive into this. Phase one is profile optimization. You have to think of your TikTok account as a funnel, because TikTok views are essentially top of funnel. You're getting that attention, you're getting those clicks to your product at the very top. It is then your job to feed them down the funnel to get the download, then to get them to subscribe, and then to get them to stay subscribed. But your TikTok profile is a funnel. Then phase two, we have content. I'm going to show you exactly how to identify your niche, do market research, post and test a lot, and set yourself up for success. And phase three, we have calls to action. This is how you're going to get the downloads. The content's great, the views are great, but if you're getting views and no downloads, it doesn't mean anything because you're not making any bread, right? I'm going to show you how to optimize your profile for downloads, show sneaky CTAs within your TikTok videos that will encourage people to download your app without being super salesy. I'm going to show you how to engage your audience in the comments, and I'm going to show you how to make videos with replies to comments, which is so powerful when you do this correctly. And then phase four, we have scaling with the other channels and paid. We can dive into that a little bit more, but once you see success, you can really scale and take this to the next level if you post on other channels with your best performing content and also you run paid ads. Let's dive straight into the profile optimization. I'm going to show you how I set up my TikTok account now. So again, your TikTok account is a funnel. So when people see your videos, they're going to click on your profile, and on your profile, what do they see? It needs to be very straightforward and very simple to understand what your profile is about. So this is the way my profile looks on desktop. I also have a screenshot of how my profile looks on mobile to make it a little bit easier, because this is how most people are going to be viewing your account, right? You don't want to overload people with information. Your only job with your TikTok account is to drive a download. You don't have to explain your entire product. Just explain the one thing that your product does. For example, Puff Count. It's an app that helps people quit vaping. It's my app. And I made my profile very, very simple. The profile picture is my logo. The bio is something very simple. It's a one-liner. You don't have to read too much. The app that helps you quit. And then I have a link to my website right here. This is optimized. This is super simple. And then we have our 3 pinned videos right here. Each one of these pinned videos is a video that has performed extremely well for me in terms of getting downloads to my mobile app. When people look at your profile, the first videos that they are going to watch are your pinned videos. Make your pinned videos the best videos that drive the most downloads for your mobile app. For example, this one pinned video right here has 7.6 million views. It has driven over 100,000 downloads to my mobile app. It is my best performing video to date. So it is the first thing pinned on my profile. I want everyone possible to watch that video because I know it converts into downloads. So have your account set up like this, make it super easy to understand. You don't want a bunch of crazy links or a link tree in your bio. You want them to go to your website and download your app. That's it. You don't want to picture other social medias there. That's not the goal here. The goal is to drive downloads, make your profile super simple. All right, moving on to phase two, we have content. The most important part of TikTok, your content is what makes or breaks your success on TikTok, obviously, but don't get overwhelmed by making good TikTok content. A lot of people think it's really complicated, but it is not at all. It's actually really straightforward. You need to understand what your niche is. You need to do market research, and you need to post and test a lot. But you can learn from what other people are doing well on TikTok and apply those same sort of concepts in your videos, right? So kind of a strategy that I will use. A strategy that I will use is I go onto TikTok and I search for, videos within my niche. My niche is quit vaping, right? You can search whatever your niche is, right? So I type in the hashtag quit, or I type in the keyword quit. And then what you can do is you can filter TikTok to show you the most liked videos of all time. This is a literal cheat code. It'll show you the best content on TikTok. It'll literally show you it right here. you do market research, right? You scroll through, you identify a video that, you know, is within your niche. For example, this girl, she did day 1 of quitting Nick. It's just her dropping her vape in a glass of water, right? I saw this video. I saw it had 5.6 million views. And then what do? I go on my profile and boom, I create a video using the exact same concept. This video that I created has 1.1 million views because I did market research. I identified other formats, identified videos that people were doing to go viral, and I used those formats in my account. It is literally that simple, right? You have to know how to set up your phone, set up the lighting, you know, edit the videos well, but that all comes with experience. But the main thing is doing market research, identifying a bunch of videos, putting them in a spreadsheet, right? Put all the viral videos that you find in a spreadsheet, analyze them, see what they're doing well, see what they're doing poorly, and then use that as your baseline of knowledge when you are creating concepts for your own account, right? And then test. I've posted so much on the PuffCount account, right? And I know exactly what works, you know, and then you can start to kind of make series videos, right? Like I have a series, it's called Nick Myths, where I talk about the myths of nicotine, right? So that's the series that I do. And then I have another series where it's Ask the Streets. And, you know, I go and I do public interviews with people. After you post a lot, you'll identify kind of like your bread and butter concepts. You'll probably have like 3 or 4 concepts that do really well for you. Street interviews are crushing for me right now, so I do a lot of those. But this all comes down to market research and understanding what people are already doing in your niche to go viral. Learn what other people are doing well and do it yourself. Keep it rolling. Moving on to phase 3, calls to action. This is where so many people mess up, and this is where everyone gets it wrong, is because you can make a great piece of TikTok content, yes, but if you don't do the calls to action in the right way, you're not going to get downloads, you're not going to get sales, you're not going to get anything from all the views you're getting, right? And what people do time and time again, and it's so wrong, is they make the call to action way too salesy. Hey, go download my app, 10% off, and here are all the features, and I'm explaining everything, and it's a 2-minute call to action. No, don't do that. Your only job is to understand what one kind of key benefit about your product entices someone to go purchase or go download, and then do that, post that only that, and make it 2 seconds or less. You do not want to make your piece of TikTok content feel like an ad. You want to slyly mention your product without people even registering that you're selling it to them. And that is the best marketing right there. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. For example, in this video, this is literally a 5-second video. It has 50-something thousand views. Boom, call to action, right? I'm not saying, hey, go download my app, go buy my product, go do this, go do that. No, I'm literally just showing my product. I'm showing the dashboard. And then also my app conveniently has the app name right here. So people see this video, they see PuffCount on the top, and then they go search for it. That's it. It's nothing crazy, right? And then obviously the content is related to my niche and stuff like that. I'll show you another one. We have Nick Myths. This is one of my bread and butter series. I talk about, you know, nicotine myths. I'm hooking them in with myths and facts about nicotine. And then boom, at the end of the video, 2-second call to action. I say, this app helps you quit. So simple, right? Boom. And I don't even say what the app is. I just say it's PuffCount, right? And they go check out my video. And then I'll show you my best performing video. This is kind of like a little bit of a sneakier CTA, but I was public interviewing these people in the street, right? And I'm asking how long have you been vaping? This guy says, I've been vaping a year, maybe 6 months. And I said, if you had to guess how many times you get your vape per day, what would that number be? And then he said 20. And I said, so there's an app called PuffCount. It tracks how much you puff every day. That's it. That's the call to action. I just mentioned my product, and that is the call to action. Go download PuffCount, go buy the product. No, it's a sneaky call to action within the conversation of this public interview. People are being sold to without even knowing this is an ad. It's insane, right? And this video did insanely well. I showed them the app, you know, I showed the product in action, right? But no deep call to action. This video got me 100,000 downloads. And then what I did on top of this, and is another big strategy, is engaging with the audience and making videos that reply to comments. So within this video that I just showed you, 7.6 mil, someone commented, you Nick addicts need to do this. They commented that on the video I just showed you. And in the reply to this comment, I just gave more stats about vaping, nicotine, and how dangerous it is, right? And this is a clear sell. Like, this video is very salesy. And the reason I was able to make this video very, very salesy and push PuffCount super hard is because I was replying to a comment in this viral video. So when this video, this one was 7.6 million views. When I saw it popping off, had 500,000 views, I knew it was going to keep going. So I immediately made a response to one of the comments. And what that does, you can't see it on mobile, but like what it does is if you respond to a comment with a video, it will put that comment and that video at the top of your comment section in your super viral video, which means everyone who goes to the comment section on this video is then going to watch the next one, the one you reply to, right? So everyone watch this. This is not a good TikTok. This is not a captivating TikTok. It's a clear sales pitch, right? But it got 700,000 views. It got 700,000 views because I utilized this super viral video, replied to a comment, and all of the traffic from this video funneled into this one, which is a clear sales pitch, right? This is a cheat code. You need to be doing this the second you see one of your videos going viral. Moving on to phase 4, scaling with other channels and doing paid ads with your content. This is something you should 100% be doing. Every piece of content that you make on TikTok can be posted everywhere else. It can be posted on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Twitter. You should be posting this content everywhere. I'm going to be honest, I'm not the best at keeping up with it. I need to practice what I preach, right? And do more of this. I'm not the best at it, right? But you should be doing that. You should be posting your content everywhere possible. You'll just get the most bang for your buck for each piece of content. You'll get the most mileage out of each piece of content. You'll increase your engagement. You'll grow across 4 different social channels at the same time. This is a no-brainer. And then also something that's important is uploading your best performers to the paid ads dashboard. Whether you're running paid ads on TikTok, Facebook, I don't care where you're running them, just upload your best performers and put some sort of spend there. You don't have to go all in and spend $10,000 a day. You don't have to do that. Just spend $10 a day and kind of learn how the paid ads dashboards work, and you'll see what your best performers are there. It's tough for me because I can't really do this with my specific product, Puff Count, because it is a quit vaping product. And even though I'm helping people quit, TikTok and other paid platforms still flag my content. So, you know, I'm unlucky in that I can't do this, but I highly encourage everyone else to upload your best performers to the paid ads dashboard. But that's it. That's your TikTok account scaling guide. If you follow these steps and you put the effort in and you post every single day on TikTok, you will see growth. If you do your market research correctly and if you optimize your profile, you will see downloads, you will see sales. TikTok is so powerful. You need to get on it. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on the gram. Just shoot me a DM. I'm more than happy to kind of take a look at your account and I'll help you kind of optimize it. Or if you want to just hit me up on Instagram, just shoot me a message. Appreciate you for watching this. Yeah, go crush TikTok and throw this video a like if you got some value from it. Would really appreciate it. And definitely subscribe. I'm going to be uploading more content like this. Peace. Have a good one. Go crush it.